Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. So in today's video we'll be talking about um a little combo. So today's video is for men, but if you're a woman or if you're a lady seeing this video, you can watch it and prepare this combo for your man. If you want your man to do well in the other room, you want him to improve well in the other room, this combo is legit. It's trustworthy and it is very very effective. This combo is for couples. Yeah, it's for lovebirds. It's for couples. So if you're a couple and you're seeing this video and you're having issue with weak erection, low libido, weak ejaculation, and all those things, then this video is for you. So the first thing you'll be needing for this combo is bitter cola. The first thing is bitter cola. Yeah, bitter cola has a whole lot of health benefits, which we are not going to go into it in this video. There is a video for it. I'll leave a link in the description. There is a video on the health benefits of bitter cola. So if someone has eaten, if you have a friend or you yourself, maybe you notice that the person has eaten food poison, just get one bitter cola like this, peel off the outer skin, give to the person to chew immediately. It's just like first aid. It will help neutralize the poison immediately. It will help neutralize the poison before taking the next step. Or if you have an old mama or a old papa at home, just ask the papa the benefits of bitter cola. Bitter cola is a very very good cola. It is very very good bitter cola. You don't lack this at home. So let's go into this video. So the first thing you'll be needing is your bitter cola. Yeah, get your bitter cola. And the next thing you'll be needing for this combo is ginger. Get your ginger. Get your ginger. And if you're someone that takes dry gin, if you're someone that takes spirit dry gin, then get dry gin. But if you don't take dry gin, use water for it. But if you can take dry gin, it doesn't disturb you and you are okay, then use dry gin for it, because the dry gin will help it to last longer. But if you are someone that doesn't take dry gin, use water. Yeah, I think the water, it will stay like 4 days before you dispose it and prepare a new one. But the one with that is soaked with dry gin, it can stay like 1 week or more, or even 2 weeks. It will not get spoiled. The only thing is that if your ginger finish, if your dry alcohol or ginger finish, you add another one to it, then continue taking it. And you will take this combo 30 minutes before doing whatever you want to do. 30 minutes before doing whatever you want to do. If you have watery sperm, it will help you a lot. If you have watery sperm and you take this combo, you see the changes. It's that watery sperm, it will stop. Yeah, your sperm will no longer be watery. It will help you a lot. So the next step is for us to move on how to prepare this simple combo. So let's prepare this simple combo together. I'm sending this one to someone. I'm sending this one to someone. So let's prepare it.